Hello. Just messing with you guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you're in for a surprise. This might be the best video I've done on this channel. So I've been here before, but not to this area, and it's been a long time ago, and it was the smaller steel silos on the other side. This is the big silos. They're all abandoned. There's tagging, there's a little houses up in the air. It's a crazy place, guys. I'm much better at FPV now, so I got a treat of a video for you guys today. This should turn out epic. I've gotten good enough where I can fly this area. It's all abandoned. There's nobody around to mess with me. It's epic. I got 2 or 3 full batteries, and there's like 3 different aisles. It's gonna be a lot of fun too. I can't wait to make this video. Hopefully nobody interrupts me and nobody shows up or nothing while I'm flying. And there's also a train. There's train tracks right over here behind me. So we'll see how this turns out, guys. Wish me luck. I hope it turns out awesome. And here you go. Roll that footage. And if you're new, subscribe. And if you enjoy the video, drop a like. Thank you, guys. Here we go, guys. Didn't have much good luck today, guys. A lot of crashing. I thought I was good enough to come here, but apparently I still need more practice. I'm gonna come back again when I get better. Practice some more at the parks at home. As you see, I tore it up pretty good and it's beeping away. Back to the bench to get it ready for next time. If you guys watched this far in the video, I really appreciate you. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I had fun though. I crashed, but I had fun.